I'm Maya Erskine. I'm an actress and a writer. A little shy sometimes. More? Yeah.
So Maya is a really interesting woman. You can see that she's kind of maybe in a time in her life where there is a bit of a transition. She's really excited and inspired about the things she's doing in her life. And I think that this is a really important thing to really connect to with your client.
I'm just a little scared.
Well, you have beautiful hair and you have nothing to be worried about. It's going to be a great experience. We kind of went with this more collarbone length, very layered, very shattered out. And I think it's a very natural and it's a very beautiful look for her. She'll be able to play with it with her lifestyle.
I love the simplicity of it. I love the kind of bedhead feel and look and how textured it is. And I like having, you know, short hair. I'm gonna be wilder. My hairstylist.
So how is it? I think it's really great.
I think it's great
it has
too.
a lot of really great texture. And
I liked how you were doing it. It felt like you were dancing with the waves of my hair.
keeping it very organic.
Yeah, he was
very
like
real.
breathing with it.
Yeah, there was no structure.
No.
It was very visual, very, and it's very Maya. Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
I like it a lot because it achieves that shaved look without actually having to shave my head, which I'm very grateful for, but I think it's kick-ass. I love it.
Using the volume spray, twisting the hair, and just letting it set very naturally gave us this very piecey, twisted look, and it created a really new type of texture. And then mixing that with the dry wax to get that very clean, sheer look.
It's like girl with dragon tattoo mixed with Harajuku.
Yeah,
Soft Japanese girl.
Exactly.